What if you could replace Firebase entirely with something open source, just as powerful and completely free to self-host? Meet Supabase, the open-source Firebase alternative trusted by over 1 million developers. Firebase sounds great at first, but as your app grows, you hit walls, vendor lock-in with proprietary formats, costs that spiral out of control, and no SQL. You're stuck with a document model that doesn't scale the way relational data does. Supabase solves every single one of those problems. You get a full Postgres database with real-time subscriptions, built-in authentication with 20 Auth providers, S3-compatible file storage, serverless edge functions, and auto-generated REST and GraphQL APIs, all from one platform. Getting started takes under 60 seconds. Install the client, run init, then start, and your local Supabase studio opens automatically. Your entire backend running locally in one command. The numbers speak for themselves. 75,000 GitHub stars, over 1 million active projects, 99.9% uptime SLA, and 100% open source. You own your data forever. Pricing is refreshingly simple. The free tier is genuinely generous. Pro is just $25 a month with daily backups. Enterprise plans add SOC 2 compliance and SSO support. Head to Supabase, and start building today completely free. If this helped you, subscribe for weekly developer tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.